Hello, welcome back. Question number 9, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Student Objective Text. We have to find the coordinate of the point on the curve, which is y equals to x squared plus 4x minus 2, where the gradient is what? 0. This is a curve. Now, to find the gradient of the curve is to find the change in the y-axis over the change in the x-axis. That is dy dx. It's a curve. Now, the gradient is the dy dx, and the gradient is also given as 0. So it means that after finding the dy dx, we equate the result to 0. So here, if I have y equals to x squared 4x minus 2, then the gradient, which is dy dx, this come forward to multiply. You subtract 1 from the power, that gives you power 1, plus 1 is here multiplying 4, then x minus a power of 1 minus 1 give you x power 0, which is 1. This gives you 0. So this is what we are having. But we can be sure that your dy dx is what? Equals to 0, which is the gradient. So if this equals to 0, that implies that your 2x plus 4 is also equal to 0. If the left is 0, the right will also be 0. So if we subtract 4 from both sides, you have 2x minus 4. Divide both sides by 2, you have here to be what? Minus 2. So x is minus 2. That's the first component, the x component. How about the y component? So we can only see that at x equals to minus 2, I'm going back to original question. Y will be equals to x, which is now minus 2 all square, plus 4x minus 2 minus 2. Remember, this will give you 4. This will give you negative 4, negative 2. So we have negative 0 here. 0, not negative 0. 0 and negative 2. So therefore, the point is going to be minus 2 for x, minus 2 for what? Y. Those are the points on the curve. Which one are you going to pick? This is going to be the option C for the best option. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for more.